welcome. We got a fish on right now, my dad does. Lake. Oh, he's tiny. Ain't worth netting. He's little. There he is. So we're gonna keep fishing. We've only been here for 10 minutes. We caught 2 fish. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. It's okay. So stay tuned. Another ding for you guys. Sorry about the microphone. It goes out when the rain hits.
Oh, look at that hog.
Another ding. We'll get some big ones. Don't worry. Stay tuned. Got a fish on right now.
Oh, he missed the jump.
He's little, but not that.
He's fighting good.
I deleted all the videos. We caught like tons of big ones. This is just a little one again. Maybe Mike. I'll get back to you guys. Hey guys, welcome back. I just caught this little one, flipping the weed lines with a Havoc rocket craw. We'll get back to you. Hey guys, welcome back. I just caught this nice fish on crankbait. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You went and did good, bro. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Maybe you know it. Come on, bring it over this way. Keep playing with phone mode. Don't range into that phone mode. Nice on his toes. That's it.
Oh my gosh! Got him! Yes! That's a 5. That's a 5. Oh. Whoa! That's a 5-pounder. Barely hooked. Oh. Oh.
Here you go, bud. Video.
Oh my gosh. He's probably on 4 pounds, I'll say. How much think he is? He got, I thought he was way bigger than that because he got down deep. We're in 28 feet of water. He was down deep. He's in that can? Holy cow, that's a hog. Dude, did you see how fight? How?
I tell you what, that man's food.
Oh my gosh.
I thought he almost yanked his pole out of your hand.
Look at how those stomach. No, but...
Or what?
4.79, so almost 5 pounds.
Dude, I knew it. I mean, look at his size.
That's big. We'll put him live over some pictures. Oh my gosh. Oh. Can you flip him? Okay. Oh, here, hold on. Don't flip him. Don't flip him.
Hey, thanks, guys. He's got a picture to take home.
We're gonna have to start taking photos.
and back.
Yeah.
Show the camera real quick.
Is it on?
Yeah. Like a pound and a half.
Yeah.
Fish. There you go. Is it on? Alright guys, here's our, I'm gonna keep the 5. What do you think I should do? Let him go?
Yeah.
Okay, did you get a picture? Here, get one more picture of him.
Okay, let me get a picture. Hold on.
Guys, we're gonna let this 5-pounder go. Well, he's 4 3/4. Alright, here we go. Let him go. There he goes. Big. Oh my gosh, he's huge. And some little guys like pounders. That's like a pound and a half. Pound and a half. He got some more in here too. We let him have like more than half of them.
Gosh.
Pound and a half. Right. Get over here. Oh, there it goes.
You gotta remember the other one jumped out when you opened it up.
I know, we had like a 2-pounder.
How many is that?
Oh.
Sign off.
Little guy, man, he was fighting really hard. Did you foul hook now?
No.
Alright, get back to you guys. We've caught like 3 more, but camera's low, so fish like a pound and a half. See you guys.
They have the same type of man, you know, spinning.
Now a 5-pound smallmouth.
Yeah, well, it's different.
Well, I don't know. Did you see how hard that 4-pound?
Oh, I know. You got him?
I think that's the biggest. Is it? I think so. It's really front crank. Yeah, it's big.
Yep.
Yep, it's big. Oh my gosh,
You took the net off. That's a big fish. Why'd you take the net apart?
Oh, remember when I was shooting? I had him snagged on top of that. That's focus. Not too big. Man. Somebody was trying to hurt him. Look at his mouth. I hate people who do that. Like
Jerk it? You want to hurt her mouth?
tear his mouth. I hate it. How they do that. They tear their mouth up. And he cranked it. That one felt like a 3 or 4. Wait, you get that?